Hey everyone, it's Agatha here with Photo Booth Entrepreneur, and today's video we're going to be going over the Classic DSLR Photo Booth. Right behind me, we do have it available in white and black, and you can shoot with it indoors or outdoors, which is nice. You can shoot it with a flash or without a flash, totally up to you. We always recommend to be shooting with a wireless flash if you're in a low light scenario. And if you're in like full daylight and not needing a flash, you can definitely shoot the way that the black one is set up, just right here. The Canon R100 is placed on the inside. It does have a swivel mount for the camera, so you can go up or down. But usually within like a 5 to 8 feet, like, from your backdrop to the photo booth, that's perfect. You'll be able to see anyone from, 3 feet and let's say 6 feet, well, between there. So, other than that, it does have a 16-inch touchscreen monitor, which you just tap, it starts, initiates everything, so you don't need an attendant to actually be there to function it. There's customers that set these up, drop them off, and leave them there unattended for X amount of hours. I personally, that's what I do, just because I don't like to stay there anymore. I've been 13 years in the business, and I just don't like to stay there anymore. Unless they're paying me over $1,000, then yes, I will stay there gladly. All right, so why the DSLR booth, right? The classic DSLR booth, some of the pros and cons that you'll learn in this video. I do this so that way you guys can understand why I use it and why I use it in my rental department. And as you can see, as like we've gone through evolution through so many years of photo boothing, they're always changing, but the main components are always still the same. It's always like a high resolution camera, touchscreen monitor, a flash, a printer, and something reliable that's going to keep everything like well maintained and still small enough where it's not going to get me tired or my attendants tired. So classic DSLR, it's super compact. Everything fits inside of this case right here, which is great. The only things extra that you're going to be traveling with, which is going to be like your printer bag, your backdrop bag, and like your flash bag that you're going to have for this guy right over here. And then other things too, like your red rope stanchions that are going to be here, red carpet props and stuff like that. So but the entire booth itself, it's like all contained into this tiny little box, which is my favorite. It has wheels, so you can push it in and out. You can use it as a dolly, which is great. So it's like very multi-purpose, the way that it was built and the way that it was, designed to fit in that tiny case. Um, some of the things that you can do on this unit is photo boothing, GIFs, boomerangs, videos, um, AI photo booth, filters. You could even scan the QR code and pay, like kind of like an arcade type of thing, which is great. That's another source of making money. AI backgrounds, AI portraits, that's what's in right now. You can do keychains with this. You can do the little trading cards as well. There's like so many different things that we offer now as a rental service, and has definitely like increased our profit margins by adding those things. Yes, it's more work, but definitely worth it because a lot of people like to go home with something tangible in their hand, especially like Sweet 16s, quinceañeras, weddings, or any of those corporate events. That's an easy way to push these style photo booths and all the different add-ons that you can do. So when you do purchase with us, you do also get that little packet that will give you pretty much how to upsell the keychains, how to upsell the trading cards, and how to actually do all these different features with your photo booth. So you're not just buying the equipment, it's also to the hands-on experience. Like today, I have an appointment at 2 o'clock. They're in Oklahoma, and they're gonna same thing. They already got all their equipment. They saw the videos on how to set up. We're gonna go into it live via Zoom, and we're gonna go and show them all the steps that we do as a rental company to perform at their own personal events. So that's some of the services that you're going to be getting when you purchase these units. So along with the 1 year warranty that you're going to get, and the training support and all that, you do also get everything right here. 1 year warranty, training support, and everything's built for you. So it'll be with myself or any of our members with our teams that will sit with you and literally guide you through the entire session. Usually about 30 minutes to an hour is the average time. And then like usually slower folks are about 2 hours. But after that, you guys are golden. Like I stopped hearing from you guys because it's so easy. And then until like the newest features come out or the newest software update, that's when you guys come back and you learn up a little bit more. So, and that's what this whole community is all about, is just kind of learning as much as possible before you actually buy your stuff and get like actual real life reviews. So, um, another thing about this booth, it does come with just like basic screws, but a lot of people are like, you know what? I ended up going on Amazon and I purchased some of the screw knobs, right? They're called star knobs or thumb screw knobs. You can use those. So it depends on if you want to use an electric drill, you can easily do that, which I like to use that. And then some people just like to use the little star knobs to tighten the corners. So it already comes with the screws. Just get a little electric screwdriver. If you guys are buying the bundle, it'll already include it with it. So that's one less thing you have to buy. But other than setup, it's a very easy booth to run. Like I said, I set them up, drop them off, leave them there unattended, and that's digitally or with a printing booth. So just know that this booth can be done with both, right? Digital or printing, flash or without flash. So very versatile booth, perfect for beginners that just want to start, nothing that's going to break the bank. And yeah, that's pretty much it about the classic DSLR. So if you guys are looking to purchase, I'm going to leave a link down below and you guys can purchase, see what you guys get approved for. We do have financing as well, which is great. And any point, if you guys have any questions or comments or feedback regarding these booths, just let us know in the posts, and we can do any type of upgrades. You know, if it's like a popular demand thing, then we can do upgrades. But usually we'll find those things before we even ship them to you. Like I said, we do test these out before we even give you guys the option to buy these things. We work with so many different manufacturers and we kind of just pick and choose the stuff that's advancing with technology. A lot of people are just stuck on like the old Surface Pro tablets and it's like that's back 2018, 19, 20. It's like we're 2026 now. We're going to bigger, better, faster booths. So make sure you guys are staying on the ball with the updated cameras, updated computers, just to give you the overall best experience. Because I've noticed even with my phone or my personal computers, if it starts to slow down, like it just bothers me because it's not moving fast enough. And if your photo booth isn't moving fast enough, then then you're gonna have trouble down the line with basic stuff like adding AI and stuff like that. So make sure you guys are always getting the newest, latest, greatest computers and cameras, so that way you're giving your customers the best possible quality. All right, guys, we'll see you guys in the next video. Again, this is Agatha with your photo booth entrepreneur. This is the Classic DSLR booth. I'll send a link in our description. That way, if you guys are looking to purchase or even invest, or maybe just want to reach out to me regarding any questions you have, feel free to leave a message down on this description or the comments. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next video.